Hello there, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Friday, almost weekend, Friday, September the 25th, 2020. We will continue with the second regular Sudoku. It's a Sudoku Heavy. How heavy? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. And this one will be number 1613. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Where's my pencil? Yes, my pencil. We have here 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is equal to 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is equal to 20, 22, 24, 26. Yes, and if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We see. Let me scan this. We have 1 digit, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7 and we see there 7. So no 7s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, and we see there 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Or 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Two in this column, 2 in the middle columns, on the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. How about the number 3. We have a pair here in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We see here a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. We see a 3 here in this column, so no 3 there. So no 2 and a 3 here. Same for this big square. In this big square, we have a 2 and a 3, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. Alright, so 2 boxes left now in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 7 and the 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. Then then how about the 5 in this column, 5 in that column? So the middle column, the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 here. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here or could be there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 1, 5. How about 3, 6, 8? I need more information. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need a 6 and a 9. Yeah. 5, 6. Yes. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 6, the 8, and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 6 and 9 are left. Let me mark them. It's up here. How about 7, 7? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this first column. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 5. 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 here. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. So 1 digit left. Should be the 3. The 2 and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. And then 3, 3, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, I need an 8, 8, 8. 4, 4, 4, 6, Um, seven, I think I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let me think. 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 Where is the needle? 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. 6, 9, 7 should be here. 6, 9, 7, and 5. No, 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 no. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 2 and 7, 7 we have 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. I cannot fill this yet because those numbers are the 8 and the 9. I need more information, but let me mark them for you. Yes. Alright. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 6, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be the 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left for the last column for the number which number is this? 7, I believe. Yes, 7 is missing. And how about 2 numbers left in this row? The first row for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Then 2 numbers left in this row, the middle row, for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 9. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 1. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2. We have 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. For this Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku or a heavy Sudoku. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the additional, with extra Sudokus. So, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye for now.